Hi everybody, my name is CrysDawna and I am the owner and creator of Bella Renovare by CrysDawna, and I'm a brand ambassador for Redesign with Prima. Today I want to do a really short, quick, simple hack with you, and this is to show you how to place your decor transfers before you actually place them. So how would you know? Do you feel like if you place them, it's permanent? So I'm going to show you how I place them so I can visualize before I actually transfer them onto my piece. Super simple, super easy. You may already know about it, you might not, but it's just a quick hack to create awesome pieces. All right, so you have this piece and you want to put decor transfers on it, but you're not really sure where you want to place it and you're not sure how to kind of dry fit it. I'm going to show you. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some painter's tape. Now, I don't apply my decor transfers until 24 hours after my paint is dry, because you want to make sure that there's no moisture in your paint. So even though your paint might feel dry, it may still have some residual moisture in there. So that's why you want to wait 24 hours before you apply transfers to your newly painted piece. So you want to make sure that it's dry. You need some painter's tape. And the reason why I said that before is if you get painter's tape, when your paint is fully dry, then you don't have to worry about this tape pulling off your paint. So you want that, you want a pair of scissors, and you want your decor transfer. Super easy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to cut this decor transfer out in the areas that I want it, and then I'm gonna actually just place it on the piece with my tape, step back. You could take a few pictures if you wanted to, if you need to visualize exactly what it's gonna look like. You can replace everything and see. So let's do that and see exactly what I'm talking about. taping this up is actually super helpful, especially when you're gonna be layering transfers. So as you saw, I moved some around. These ones will be layered, but this is a totally different transfer. So I'm actually gonna be using the flower collection transfer. My client wants it to have some text on it as well, or script on it as well. And so I'm going to put this on here to kind of give it a even more cool feel. So we're going to end up layering this. So this also helps me see what needs to be layered and where to put stuff. And so we're gonna tape these on too. This is how to dry fit your transfers. Stay tuned for how to layer your transfers.